What is up, guys? Today I'm showing you how to use my website. So how to use my website. This is not actually the video because it said that it has 4 pages. Actually 5 pages. So I have to delete that one. Do that. Okay, so these are the pages. You can do anything. Songs goes with. Okay, I'll show you in real life. AustinLaputin.com, command F, and then songs, videos, lots of videos, popular songs, 25 romantic songs, pop songs, and that's it. So yeah, and learning cello, I've actually uploaded only one. About page, about the author of this website, Austin Designer. So then yeah, that's how you do it. And this is the rating from someone. And then you won't have this, the site admin, because you're not actually the admin that made it. So yeah. And then support us. How you can support us? You can support us by subscribing to my channel. My channel is called Austin Cello Boy. And then woo. Cool. And that's all the pages I made. So bye-bye.